When someone yawns, do you start yawning too, even if you are not tired? People can catch yawns from others, but in the past, no one knew why. Now, scientists have an idea. Chimps can catch yawns just like people can. The scientists showed chimps a video of stranger chimps yawning. The chimps did nothing. Next, they showed the chimps a video of friends yawning. Then, the chimps started yawning. Because chimps are similar to people, scientists think people catch yawns for the same reason. Yawning, when someone else does, may mean that you are showing that you understand how they feel. It is a way of showing you care without thinking about it.